Cuties, Standard 2nd, Subject EVS, Term 1, Unit 3, Plants Around Us. Topic, Benefits of Plants and Trees as Habitats for Animals. Plants have many uses. We get most of our food from plants. We get vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, spices, oil and medicines from trees, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Dear cuties, where do we get fruits and vegetables from? Yes, we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Some example of vegetables are lady's finger, devil's fig, bottle gourd, potato, radish, carrot, cauliflower, cabbage, brinjal, broccoli and so on. Dear cuties, do you know one fact? Tomato and brinjal are fruits and not vegetables. Some example of fruits are pomegranate, grapes, jackfruit, mangoes, banana, watermelons, oranges, strawberries, apples, peach, lemon and so on. Cereals and pulses. Plants give us food grains. Food grains are dry seeds. Cereals are dry seeds or seed-like fruit of some plant. Example, rice, wheat, barley, etc. We also eat pulses like red gram split. Kidney beans are called pulses. Pulses are found the pod. Cereals are not found inside the pods. Tea, coffee, cocoa, sugar. We get tea powder from tea leaves. Coffee from coffee beans. Sugar from sugar cane. And cocoa fruit is used to make chocolate. Spices. We get spices such as bay leaves, cardamom, pepper, cinnamon, clove from plants. Spices usually dry seed, fruit, root or bark. Spices adds flavor to food. Oils. We get oil from coconut, castor, groundnut, mustard, sunflower and olive. We need oil for cooking. Medicines. Plants such as stone breaker, climbing brinjal, eucalyptus, turmeric, clove, tulasi are medicinal plants. Dear kids, let's do one activity. Find the odd one in the group and put a tick mark. First one, Watermelon, eucalyptus leaves, grapes. Answer is eucalyptus leaves. Other two are fruits. Second one, red gram split, coconut oil, groundnut oil. Answer is red gram split. Other two are oils. Third one, wheat, rice, pepper. Answer is pepper. Other two are cereals. Fourth one, jackfruit, devil's fig, bottle gourd. Answer is jackfruit. Other two are vegetables. Other benefits of plants. We use different parts of the plants in many other ways. Let us see about it. First one as fiber. The thread-like structure taken from a plant is called a fiber. Fibers are used for making ropes and cloth. Cotton is used for making cotton cloths. Jutes are used to make jute bags. We use the ropes and cloth in many ways. Second one as plates for eating. Plantain leaf and areca plate are used for eating. Third one as timber. We get wood from the trees. The thick trunks of some trees are used for making doors, windows, tables, chairs and other things. Fourth one as cosmetics. Henna, sigakai, aloe vera are used as cosmetics. Fifth one has household things. Palm leaves are used to make boxes, baskets and hand fans. Bamboo is used to make paper, chairs and window. Sixth one as ornamental plants. Rose, croton, cactus are used as ornamental plants. Seventh one as soaps, toothpaste and perfumes. We use juices and oils of some plants to make soaps and toothpastes. Flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine is used to make perfumes. Tree as a habitat. Trees are very essential for the living things on earth. We get oxygen from plants. The tree is a home habitat for many small animals such as birds, insects, squirrels and monkeys. It also gives us shade and clean air, which is essential for breathing. Do not cut the trees and plant more trees. Assignment. Roman letter 1. Match the pictures with the words. Pictures are bitter gourd, hibiscus, watermelon, coconut tree, mint. Options are herb, climber, creeper, tree, shrub. Correct answer is bitter gourd, climber, hibiscus, shrub, watermelon, creeper, coconut tree, tree, mint, herb. Roman letter 2. Choose the correct answer and circle it. Question number 1. A plant which gives fiber dash. Options are banana, tulasi, rose. Correct answer is banana. Question number 2. Example of a creeper dash. Options are mint, paddy, watermelon. Correct answer is watermelon. Third one, this is a spice. Dash. Options are bay leaf, banana leaf, greens. Correct answer is bay leaf. Fourth one, winnow is got from dash. Options are palm tree, coconut tree, bamboo plant. Correct answer is bamboo plant. Your today homework is read and write Roman letter 1 and 2. Match it, choose it one time. I hope you understood about this unit clearly. Now we have finished third unit. Meet you in the next unit. Thank you.